for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here. So on the 4-hour time frame, it does look like we have a 5-wave move to the upside. Okay, this wave 1 would be over here. We have what's called a leading diagonal. Five waves up in your leading diagonal, then an ABC down for your wave 2. Come up for a wave 3, 4, and a fifth wave, topping out at the 50% fib. Okay, right over there. So that fifth wave has topped out at the 50%, and it wouldn't surprise me that we come up one more time for a fake out like this, and then come down from there. That's just one possibility, but we do see that there is bearish divergence forming on the 4-hour time frame on the RSI. Okay, so this over here would be considered your wave 1. So this over here is your wave 1, and then we're going to come down for a sub wave 2 before we have the next leg upwards. Okay, so if Bitcoin breaks this trend over here to the downside, then it's likely will come down for a wave 2 to any of these fibs. Okay, these are your DCA levels, and bulls definitely don't want to see the price go below this region over here. Okay, when we take a look at your volume indicator, and we analyze the volume from the run up, right over here, we do see that your value area high is sitting right above the 50% fib. Okay, and we have our POC sitting right at the 70.2% fib, or right below the 618. Okay, so this is Bitcoin over here. Nothing to worry about on the small time frames. This is what it looks like. But on the high time frame, we are bullish. So this is Bitcoin over here. We have a WXY correction. So this is your W, your X wave, and then your Y wave. Coming down to the 100% fib. And we've also had come down to the 50% fib here, which is a common target for a wave 4. As you can see, we perfectly wicked towards this 50% fib here. Okay, so we have a 3-wave move in your W, 3-wave move in your X, and then a 3-wave move in your Y wave. So the WXY is the same thing as an ABC correction. The only difference is that you have 3 subwaves within each macro wave. And we also see Wyckoff reaccumulation. So this is your Wyckoff reaccumulation range. You have what's called your preliminary supply, your buying climax, your automatic rally, your secondary test, your move down to extremes, your up thrust in phase B, and then you have your spring. And then on the 3-hour time frame, after having your spring, this was your test, and we've been making higher lows ever since. But it wouldn't surprise me we see a little bit of a throwback as people are getting a little bit too excited here with this run up, just so we can flush out some over leveraged longs within the system. So if Bitcoin breaks this trend over here, it wouldn't surprise me we see a little bit of our move down right over here. Okay, these are the fibs. Before we see more continuation to the upside, okay, because remember, this is Wyckoff reaccumulation, and we've been within this reaccumulation schematic for about 120 days now, so almost a quarter of the year. Okay, so we'll go from our preliminary supply, and we have about 122 days of reaccumulation. Okay, we also see that 5 waves have not completed. Okay, we've only seen 4 waves here. So from the bottom, this is our wave 1, this is our wave 2, and some analysts, they even say that this is a WXY correction. So this could be your wave 2, this is your 3rd wave, this is your 4th wave, but we're missing a 5th wave now. Okay, we still need a 5th wave up there, so I'm thinking about 115 to 123,000. Okay, it's about 115 to 123. Okay. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys want to stay up to date with Bitcoin's analysis and you liked the video, then click the link in the description below to get access to the Discord. You guys get access to over 350 assets, a community, and you guys can stay up to date with all of your favorite coins and assets while you have the ability to ask me any question you want. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Peace out, and take it easy. See you in the next one.